To the restaurant to have breakfast, and you're pleasantly surprised when you see an Indian classical musician playing almost outside the restaurant. I was very deeply touched, and what a wonderful feeling. So here is Dilip Hira
Hi.
from Assam, and he's an amazing flautist and he's playing beautifully. So कुछ सुना लीजिए सर.
Okay, ठीक है.
क्या बात है. सा रे सा दा ba da sa re ga da ga re da ba da. Da sa re ga ba da sa da ba re ga da ba re ga re da. Yeah, na no na 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 yeah, no. क्या बात है. God bless you. This is the talent in our country, ladies and gentlemen.